The window's open.
That's okay.
People outside are probably like, what's going on?
They probably like, oh, they must be YouTubers.
What's up, SNL2?
What's up, SNL2? We're back with another video. Back with another video.
So we are here and we are wrapping up our home shopping series, right?
Yes, we're wrapping it up.
During this part of our house process, we are taking you with us on our house shopping journey. What house are we going to pick? We've gone through 2 houses so far.
We went through the Modern Rancher.
Yes, that's number 1.
Everybody loved that one. Mm-hmm. And the Hallmark house.
And the Hallmark house, which was number 2. We'll put the link here.
Yep.
You'll want to catch up. Today is the last house. And
yes.
Then we're going to tell you which one we picked, right?
Yes. This is a disclaimer, guys. This isn't all the houses we looked at. This is the 3 houses that were major contenders.
We were choosing between these 3.
Yes, we were choosing between it. But we saw
a bunch.
Probably like 25 houses.
We saw a lot, yeah.
Probably like, maybe. We saw a lot of houses.
But these 3 were the 3 we were like, okay, is it this one, or this one?
Yep.
So here we are on the third one.
And I think this is the order we actually saw them in, right?
Mm-hmm. This is the order we saw them in.
Yeah.
Quick break to remind you to subscribe.
It costs you nothing to hit that subscribe button, guys.
It's absolutely free.
Absolutely free. It's a quarter of a second. Boom.
We're excited to show the last house in this series before we reveal which one we picked.
Reveal.
A big reveal.
Yeah, the big reveal.
It's coming up. But we'll show you this house first.
Yes.
So that you can see it and give us your opinion.
I'm excited for you guys to see this one. We named this house the Chateau House.
The Chateau House. Because the vibe is like chateau-y, Paris-y.
Yeah, it's like French-inspired architecture.
Yeah.
The Modern Rancher was $4 signs.
Yeah.
The
Hallmark House
was $2 signs. And the Chateau House is going to come in with a whopping $3 signs.
Yeah.
I like watching Love It or List It. Mm-hmm. He always like, all right, let's talk money, right?
I hate Love It or List It. I don't like Hillary. She's very rude.
Hillary is a beast. Hillary, if you ever see this.
Hillary, if you ever see this, please change your attitude.
Hillary takes a kitchen and puts it in a bathroom. It'd be crazy.
Click it off from her. She's very rude to them. A reminder of our must-have list. We'll just pop it in here.
Yeah.
Has to have a vibe. Has to have the garage. Has to have land.
Has to have a bathtub.
The water closet.
His and her closets.
Yeah. We're not going to hold you, right?
We're not going to hold you. Without further ado, let's get into the video!
Watch your step, dear. Now, this is totally different than the St. Lawrence and the Powell.
Yes.
And it's bigger than the Roanoke, which we don't have one to show, so it does have a little bit of a wow factor in it. Mm-hmm. Does anybody need to use the restroom?
No.
Okay. Take a look. It's beautiful.
Yep.
Now, this was a model, so it has some upgrades. Oh, the walk-in? Oh my gosh, come on. I know. That's like a room in itself.
Yeah. Let's see. Oh, is it a real walk-in? You like it?
Mm-hmm. Now you'll notice, I always like to point this out. This is the only floor plan I have where the sink isn't right here. It's right here underneath this double window. Okay.
And this window is standard, right?
Yeah, the 2 windows are standard. We didn't upgrade a faucet in one single bowl versus a double, but those are little things we go over back at the model. But this is your island, lots of doors and drawers. You know, this is a garage. So what a lot of folks do is if they're not doing a double wall oven, now this is a side entry, but you know, I mean, I do have a side entry available, or you could do a front entry. But your cars would come in, you come up here to, you know, your family entry. There's a big double closet here, window standard, kind of lets in some light. And then a lot of folks just come in and throw their keys and purse right here.
How much is the fireplace edition?
So that's
for all the homes?
So that is going to be $4,500, and that is the included surround. So it's a slate surround. You get your gas logs. There's a remote control, and there's actually a switchboard as well.
So these 2 windows are upgraded?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yep.
So this is the powder room. It's a nice size.
Agreed.
Okay.
So when you said noon, I was like, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Obviously, a second floor laundry. 2 really nice size rooms. And you get a nice little window in here. I could do a laundry sink if that's important, but you will get your shelving, and we could do the washer dryer hookups. But this is your room. I don't want to be in the video. Oh my goodness. No. Or let's just call it the guest bath. You'll get your double bowl vanity. And depending on what designer package you pick, the standard is luxury vinyl plank. You could do a tile in here if you want. So there'll be a solid wall, okay? I love this house. I know. I'll let you drink it in.
Good closet.
Yeah. And in this home, we just did the Roman shower. That's it. So the bench across the back and 2 shower heads. Private commode. There's your personal linen closet for your bath. And then, you know, this vanity here, the double bowl with the drop down.
I saw that the vanity stays even with the tub.
Yeah, we kind of rearrange it just a tad. Are you thinking the soaking tub and separate shower? Okay.
Did you like it?
Did you love it?
We loved it.
We said we love the other houses, and this one is the same. We love this one too.
Yeah.
That's why it was like, which one are we gonna pick?
Yeah.
When you come in, it has the vibe.
The vibe that we're looking for. The only thing that I thought of about this house that changed than other ones is like we actually got to see a loft.
That wasn't on our must-have list though.
It wasn't a must-have, but you didn't know you needed it until you seen it, right?
I did love the pantry.
Pantry was nice.
That's one thing that I remember that I was like, is that the pantry?
For sure.
Let us know in the comments.
Let us know in the comments if you like this house, if you think we chose house 1, the Modern Rancher, house 2, which is the Hallmark house, and house 3, the Chateau house.
I can't get over with the house you just saw, like the entry. Although
It was a wow factor. For
we
sure.
also loved the Modern Rancher's entry.
Oh yeah, the Modern Rancher.
just as much. You know, when you go in these model houses, they soup them up
Soup 'em
with
up.
all the upgrades.
Yes,
Right?
yes,
So you
yes.
got to picture the house at the bare minimum.
Yeah, and you always got to ask what's included.
Yeah. Is this included? Is
Do
this
you have
included?
any incentives?
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed it.
Yes.
We enjoyed the house.
We did.
We loved the house. We loved all 3 of these houses. We think about all 3 of these houses, even though we're in our current house, right?
Yeah.
We do think about these houses all the time. In the comments, let us know which house you thought we picked.
Let us know. Let us know which one you picked that you think we picked.
Oh yeah, true. And let us know which house that you would pick.
Oh, yeah. That's good.
Yeah.
And some people have commented that before.
I remember one comment from the Modern Rancher. They were like, "Now this is the house I would pick." You know what I'm saying? You made it to the end of the video. Don't forget to like,
Comment.
and subscribe. And if you're a sponsor, this is where you would go.